Let's set your screen timeout to never so it won't lock while charging on your Samsung Galaxy Tab in 999 Plus. So first you have to keep your Samsung Tab connected to the charger. Now open settings and go to display. You will notice there isn't a never option for screen timeout. So now to enable it, you have to scroll down to about tablet, then tap on software information. Now find build number and tap it 7 times quickly. And you will see a countdown, and when prompted, enter your lock screen password or PIN. Now go for OK. Once done, after About Tablet, a new menu called Developer option will appear. Open it, and from here you will find the Stay Work option. Just toggle it on and that's it. Now your screen will stay on and won't lock while charging. But reminded, the screen might dim based on your screen timeout settings, but it won't go to sleep. Isn't it really cool? I hope this guide helped you a lot. Thanks for watching.